Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In a rapidly evolving world where traditional career paths are becoming less predictable, many individuals have turned to the world of side hustles to secure financial stability and personal fulfillment. This video delves into 4 unique opportunities that have emerged in recent years, providing a roadmap for anyone seeking an exciting and rewarding entrepreneurial journey. From selling canvas artwork on Etsy to creating Amazon review videos, dropshipping, and investing in stocks, there's an avenue for every aspiring entrepreneur to explore. 1. Unleashing the artist within, selling canvas artwork on Etsy. For those with a creative flair, selling canvas artwork on Etsy can be a gratifying way to share their talent and generate income. By leveraging print-on-demand services such as Printify or Printful, one can bring their artistic vision to life without the need for a large upfront investment. Artists can tap into popular culture, inspirational quotes, and other accessible themes, making use of resources like Envato elements to enhance their designs. With dedication, creativity, and perseverance, this artistic side hustle may just blossom into a thriving full-time business. 2. Lights, camera, reviews, creating Amazon review videos. The power of video as a persuasive medium makes creating Amazon review videos a potentially lucrative hustle. With a sea of products on Amazon, the demand for informative and engaging video reviews is ever present. By offering honest opinions and including an affiliate link in the video description, creators can generate commissions on resulting sales. This opportunity is ripe for those willing to invest time and effort in researching products, perfecting their presentation, and building a loyal audience. 3. The e-commerce frontier, dropshipping on Etsy or Amazon. Dropshipping presents an opportunity for aspiring entrepreneurs to break into the e-commerce market without the burdens of inventory management. By identifying popular, low-cost items on platforms like AliExpress, sellers can resell these products on Etsy or Amazon at a profit. Success in this venture hinges on meticulous research, SEO optimization, and appealing product images. As the e-commerce landscape continues to expand, so does the potential for a thriving dropshipping business. 4. Playing the market, investing in stocks. Although not a traditional hustle, investing in stocks can yield impressive passive income for those willing to seize the opportunity. By opening a free account with platforms like Webull and depositing a mere penny, investors can potentially access stocks worth up to $30,600. With the right investment strategy and a stroke of luck, this passive income source could significantly enhance one's financial portfolio. In summary, these 4 modern hustles offer unique opportunities for aspiring entrepreneurs to achieve success on their terms. By identifying their passions and leveraging available resources, individuals can embark on a journey towards financial stability and personal fulfillment. Whether you choose to sell canvas artwork, create Amazon review videos, venture into dropshipping, or invest in stocks, the potential for growth and achievement is immense. Embrace the adventure, and watch your hustle thrive. Hopefully, these ideas inspire you to explore new online job opportunities. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to the channel, and see you next time.